Today, I'm going to show you a ridiculously simple way to turn your long-form videos into a steady stream of short, shareable clips that actually grow your audience. We are talking about a powerful tool that does all the heavy lifting for you, Vizard. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, why it saves you hours of manual labor, and how to keep that authentic vibe without just pumping out noise. If you want to start turning your vlogs, tutorials, or live streams into consistent content for platforms like TikTok or Reels, the first step is heading over to their site and signing up. Trust me, the sign-up process is one of those painless 5-minute deals that gets you straight into the action. Once you're inside, you'll land on a dashboard that feels significantly friendlier and more intuitive than those massive, cluttered editing suites. From this main view, you can either paste a direct video URL or upload your raw long-form footage right from your hard drive. I personally prefer pasting the YouTube link from my finished uploads. But if you're working with local files, the drag and drop feature works like a charm every single time. The next step is incredibly obvious, which is honestly refreshing. You just click Create Clips or Auto Edit and let the AI do the heavy lifting of scanning your entire video. However, don't just mindlessly smash that button without giving it a tiny bit of specific direction first. The quality of your output is directly tied to the input, so be clear about what you are actually aiming for. Are you looking for viral hooks, punchy, funny moments, or perhaps specific demonstration highlights that drive viewers back to your full video? Pick the tone you want, whether it's energetic, calm, or a bit sarcastic, and set your desired clip length range to match your platform strategy. For my own content, I usually aim for 15 to 45 seconds for TikTok and Reels, and 30 to 60 seconds for YouTube Shorts. The auto edit feature is the real game changer here, saving me countless hours of monotonous work. Unlike some clunky tools that rely on boring loudness peaks or random scene changes, this tool actually looks for meaningful, engaging moments. It identifies things like punchlines, answers to questions, or moments where you clearly emphasize a key point. It generates a bunch of ready-to-post clips, complete with intelligent cuts and a solid base caption. Most of the time, the clips are impressive right out of the box, but you can always hop into the editor to tweak anything that feels slightly off. The editor itself feels like the perfect hybrid of a social-first app and a lightweight professional editing suite. You can easily scrub through one of the suggested clips, adjust the in and out points by individual frames, and even swap out the auto-generated caption. If you need a different thumbnail frame, you can grab one with a single click. Vizard lets you step forward or back frame by frame so you don't miss that one micro-expression or the exact word drop that makes a clip pop. One standout feature is the auto-edit viral clips functionality. It attempts to predict what parts of your long video are actually likely to spread across social media. It pulls a variety of candidate clips and ranks them by likely engagement based on factors like hooks, pacing, and audience reaction patterns. It's not perfect, but it definitely saves you from watching hours of raw footage just to hunt down those 5 good moments. And even when the AI misses, the editor is fast enough to fix it in seconds. Another personal favorite of mine is the auto-schedule feature. Do you want content posted every single day at 10 a.m. without melting your brain? Just tell the tool how many posts a week you want and your preferred posting windows, and it will queue them automatically. You can let it auto-select which clips to post, or pre-approve a handful and let it alternate them for you. It integrates seamlessly with your socials so you can publish directly to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn. That leads perfectly into the content calendar, where your month stops being pure chaos and starts looking like a cohesive plan. You can drag clips around on a calendar view, see thumbnails, captions, and scheduled times at a single glance. Need to swap Monday's clip with Friday's? Just drag and drop. Want to batch edit captions or update hashtags for a whole week of content? You can do it all in one go. It is a chill visual way to manage repurposed content, especially if you are producing a high volume of media. Here are a few practical tips while you are using it. First, be intentional about the number of clips you want from a single long video. A 20-minute video might have 10 to 15 golden moments depending on the format. You really don't need to force 50 clips out of it. Second, always tweak your captions to match the specific language of the platform you are posting to. Vizard gives you good defaults, but sometimes changing one single phrase or adding an emoji makes a massive difference in performance. Third, don't ignore custom thumbnails. They still absolutely matter, even on short-form platforms. Let's talk about screenshots and frames for a quick second. If you like embedding images or showing before and after visuals, the tool makes it painless. You can scrub to any frame, capture it, and use it as a thumbnail or overlay instantly. No more taking screenshots, saving random files, and re-uploading. It is all handled in one editor. Exporting is just as straightforward as everything else. Whether you want to download MP4 files or push directly to your socials, the workflow is incredibly smooth. If you're old school and prefer having the files, you can still get crisp MP4s and captions as SRT or plain text. Now, let's be real and compare this to other tools on the market. There are apps like Descript, CapCut, and other AI editors, but they often lack that all-in-one flow. Some are great at text-based edits, but they either cost a fortune for teams or they don't actually help with the scheduling and calendar work. Others do one thing really well, like fancy subtitles, but force you to do the clip selection and calendar work manually. Vizard's sweet spot is that it covers the whole loop. Find the clips, make them platform ready, schedule them, and manage everything in one place. Honestly, for creators who need volume and consistency, that saves an incredible amount of time. Some competitors charge extra per clip or force you into pricey enterprise plans, but Vizard keeps it accessible for indie creators. What are the use cases? Tons of them. If you run a long-form podcast, it can mine your interviews for those bite-sized hot takes. If you do tutorials, it pulls the step-by-step highlights that work perfectly as short how-tos. If you're a course creator or a marketer, you can create short promo snippets that feel organic rather than like an obvious ad. One final, crucial thing. Only repurpose your own videos. Don't go around clipping other creators' stuff. Your audience will connect much better when the clips are tied directly to your voice. Use these clips to funnel people back to the long-form content, to grow your email list, or to tease a course. My final practical workflow is uploading the URL, picking auto-edit viral clips, reviewing the clips, and dropping them into the calendar. What used to take me a full day per video now gets done in under an hour. If you want to scale your output without burning out, this is a tool designed by creators for creators. Try it out, see how it fits your workflow, and tweak the settings until the clips really sound like you. Automation is great, but only when it still sounds like the real you. That's it for today, but if you want to see me turn a video into 10 clips live, just say the word and I'll make a follow-up.